What do we have here? 1956 Lincoln Premier. And with factory air conditioning. All the air conditioning works in these cars. We're located in the trunk. That's what those plastic tubes are there in the back. The cold air comes up and goes through all these ducts through the roof and out to the front. And rear positions, there's also some on the floor if I remember correctly. Scoops here sucked in air to the evaporator, which is located in the trunk of the car, and all the plumbing ran underneath the car. Look how it's all been restored. There's a compressor, that humongous unit down here. That's an idea of the size comparison. What else do we have here? Who's afraid of ghosts? These are pretty rare fish. Oh my god, it even says that on the plate. Seriously, I just saw that. I didn't know the plate said rare fish. It just popped to me right now. But yeah, when I saw what it says here, 383 4-speed, one of 40 made, and a convertible as well. Check this out.
Watch yourself, guys. Get a picture.
Okay. 4-speed. 65,000 miles. Another interesting car I saw. Let's work our way to it. Lead sled. Chevy Bel Air.
Oh, okay, everything's on the back. Dixie Road? Okay. Straight down the ledge shore, boom, boom. All of my guys.
Chevelle? No. It's a Canadian version of a Chevelle that Pontiac offered for a while, called the Beaumont. 69 Beaumont. Gotta maneuver around the people here. Manual shift too. These two have some pretty side marker lights on, like the 69 Camaro, Chevelles, and the Beaumont. Really, really nice idea. A couple of pretty fast prices, I'm sure. 69 Mustang convertible. What else do we have here? Another old Buick. Really nice to see the Buick starting to show up. Must get pretty warm in there during the summer. Monte Carlo. See my bird. That can be interpreted in some ways. We had one of these years ago. All I can remember is that it made some crazy noise one day and it just disappeared and was replaced with a burgundy colored one with a black top. This one has a nice add-on accessory of air conditioning. I noticed a little bit earlier. See, again, Canadian Pontiacs were based very much on the Chevrolets. They weren't wide tracks, so the body sat just a little bit more inside. They looked a little bit more knock-kneed than did the American counterparts. They were built on a Chevy chassis with basically a Pontiac body. There we go. Air conditioning. Ooh, that doesn't look too inviting. Nice Thunderbird. Actually, what else can we take a quick peek at? Even more cars. You have the newer cars here too that go on the other side of the lot. And it's too full to accept any more cars in here. So some of the old cars have to go to the other side too of the lot now. Back we go. Etobicoke Car Cruise, July 18th, 2009. I think that's the date. Have a great day, everybody.